The good news is you've never been in a car wreck before. The bad news is now that this has happened to you for the first time, you're not really sure how this works. Now, you can't drive through Dallas without seeing a billboard or a bus that talks about an injury lawyer who will see you for a free consultation, or and talks about there's no fee if there's no recovery. Let me explain to you a little bit about what that means. Typically in these situations, clients will sign what's called a contingency fee agreement. That's a contract that basically says a percentage of the recovery for your claim is going to go to the attorney for attorney's fees. Typically, it also includes language that says if there is no recovery, there is no fee for any work that's done by the lawyer. This is a good system because, frankly, after you've been in a wreck, you've got better uses for your money. You might need it to pay for your medical care. Even if you have health insurance, you may need that money to pay for your co-pays or deductibles as you're going through the process. If you're missing time from work, you probably need that money just to pay your rent or to pay your mortgage. You might need that money available to pay for a rental car or a vehicle replacement. So you need to be able to keep your cash that you have in hand, and it doesn't need to go to pay for an attorney. There's nothing illegal or unethical about it. Frankly, it's referred to by a lot of people as the working man's keys to the courthouse. The deck is stacked against you a little bit. The insurance companies have lots of money and can pay the hourly fee for their lawyers to defend your case. The contingency fee contract opens the door to the courthouse so that you can have a fair chance with a qualified attorney.